Today we will be making some delicious chocolate truffles using only 2 ingredients. Yep, it can't get any easier than that. I'm sure you are tired of seeing delicious looking desserts all over YouTube which you want to make to impress your guests, but when you look at one of the recipes they are like: put in 24 grams of cake flour, 14.7 grams of 00 flour from the remote West African village, 48 milliliters of baking powder found under every Australian waterfall, divide an albatross egg yolk into 3 parts while keeping the egg white intact, put 1 part in, 1 part on the kitchen counter, 1 part into the egg white while whisking both of them at the same time, then knead the dough for at least 17 hours. Even if you manage to get these recipes right, when you pull it out of the oven at the end, it looks like some kind of burned radioactive monster which is still raw in the middle. That's where recipes like this come in handy. Okay, enough BS, let's start. We will need 250 grams of condensed milk, 100 grams of cocoa powder without any added sugar, and a bit of extra cocoa powder for coating. You will see how many of these I will have at the end, so you can change the amounts to whatever you want. Just keep the ratio 2.5 parts condensed milk to 1 part cocoa powder. Put all of the condensed milk in a pot and make it just a little bit angry while mixing it. This stuff burns very quickly, so when it starts foaming on the bottom, immediately take it off. Put it in a bowl and start sifting the cocoa powder. Sift about 30 to 40 grams at a time, then mix it well. Sift it, mix it. Sift it, mix it. If it is too dry, you can add more condensed milk. If it is too wet, sift more cocoa powder in. When it is hard enough, you can even use your hands. It doesn't have to be hard like this, it's really up to you. When it is a bit more wet, the truffles will be sweeter, and when it is harder, they will turn out less sweet. After it looks like well mixed sticky tar, prepare some kind of mold. Cover the mold in plastic wrap, put in the the mixture, press it down to assert dominance. If you don't have mold small enough, just form a rectangle from the mixture and also cover it with the plastic wrap. Put it in the chilling machine for 7200 seconds or 2 hours, whichever you want. Pull it out, sift some cocoa powder underneath it and start cutting. Try cutting them at least a bit uniform. Sift some cocoa powder on top to prevent it from sticking and make them look fancy. You can shape them however you want. Squares, balls, triangles, worms. If after shaping they don't look fancy enough, sift more cocoa powder on top. Well, that was quick. Don't forget to tell your guests how hard it was. If they don't like these truffles, tell them to bring their own food next time. If you want to see more delicious, quick and easy recipes for your ungrateful guests, don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.